Today I'm making pork chops with peaches and pecans. Actually, we're making pork chops with peaches and pecans. Bobby is the grill master, so he is grilling the pork chops. This is one of our favorite meals. It's like dinner and dessert all rolled into one. The first thing you do is wash and pat dry some pork chops. We usually make this with real thick pork chops, but we couldn't find any nice ones, so we settled for these. Then rub a little olive oil on the chops, sprinkle them with salt, freshly ground pepper, and Tony's Creole seasoning. Pat the seasonings in nicely, then flip the pork chops over and do the same thing to the other side. Let the pork chops marinate for a couple of hours or overnight, then bring to room temperature when you are ready to grill. Preheat the grill to about 500 degrees and let it stay at that temperature for a while to make sure that the griddle gets good and hot. As you can see, we use an old cast iron griddle on the grill. This griddle is a lifesaver. It prevents flare-ups and dried out meats. Then put the pork chops on and close the lid. Cook them for 4 or 5 minutes, then turn them over and cook the other side for about 4 or 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in the kitchen, heat about 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet, add about half a cup of brown sugar, and 2 sliced peaches. You can use canned peaches if you like, but fresh is best. Add a 1/4 cup of pecans and about 2 tablespoons of peach schnapps. If you don't have peach schnapps, you can use juice from canned peaches if that's what you used, or just add water. But peach schnapps makes this unbelievably good. Cook it a few minutes covered until the peaches are done. If you have to, add a little water to keep the syrup from getting too thick. Try to time this so that the pork chops and peaches and pecans will be done at the same time. Cover the pork chops with aluminum foil and let them rest for about 5 minutes. So that's how to make pork chops with peaches and pecans. Bon appetit! I hope it helps.